Welcome my channel CSC Lessons. Myself Supendra Kumar Gandhi, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discussing about the topic evaluation of integrals of the form sine of power m of x dx and cos of power m of x dx where m lies in between lies m less than equals to 4. Here m belongs to n in the natural numbers. Okay, alright. So my dear students, first of all, this type of questions, so we have to format up some trigonometric formula, then get this type of questions to solve. Okay, so I have related formula in this type of integrations. So first of all, in the trigonometric part I am discussed, then come to this section. Okay, so firstly we know that the formula of cos of 2x equals to here 2 cos square of x minus of 1. So first this part is solved squaring factor, because here the sign is power form, so I am converted this part in the power form. Okay, so firstly 2 cos square x minus 1 in the right hand side, in the left hand side is cos 2x. So firstly convert the power form. Okay, so in the right hand side minus sign is minus 1 is left side, so in this value is 1 plus of cos of 2x. So here value is 2 cos square of x. Okay, so firstly the power form, so we have to convert cos square of x here now 1 plus of cos of 2x divided by 2. Okay, I am converting the cos square x. Similarly in this way I am converting the sine power. Okay, because sine of power of m of x, cos power of m of x I am discussed now. Okay, so this factor here, so this formula is also 2 cos of 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square of x here. So then convert this sine squaring form. So in the right hand side 1 is the plus sign, so left side is the minus sign. So cos of 2x minus of 1 equals to minus 2 sine square of x here. Okay, so in this way I am converting the minus sign, so it is plus sign, so multiply both sides minus sign. So in this factor 1 minus of cos 2x equals to 2 sine square of x here. So we have to convert the sine square x part. So this factor implies that sine square of x equals to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. In the simple form, so is cos square of x is there. In the note that here, in the questions, note that here cos of square of x equals to 1 plus of cos of 2x divided by 2, and sine square of x equals to 1 minus of cos 2x divided by 2. Both factor is cos form, but here is plus 1 plus and 1 minus sign. Okay, this is the factor to solve in this type of questions. Okay, alright. So I am in this type of question discuss now. So firstly, some question, integrate the following. Question is integrate the following. Okay, first question is here now. Suppose sine square of x dx. Second part, integration of cos square of x dx. Another question is now sine square of x cos square of x dx in the multiplication form. Okay, so firstly I have discussed first question. Okay, so in the question first, integration of sine square of x dx. Okay, in this form here, in the evaluation of integral of the form sine of power of n x of dx. So here question is sine square of x dx. So firstly this factor is converted to the squaring form. In the previously I discussed the formula. So here formula is now in the sin square of x is 1 minus cos of 2x divided by 2, okay, of this. So this factor equals to 1 divided by 2 of dx is the factor firstly, minus 1 divided by 2 cos 2x dx is the factor second. So in the 1 by 2 is a constant factor, so 1 by 2 is constant, come on. So dx minus 1 by 2 integration of cos of 2x dx. Okay. So this value equals to 1 by 2 dx in the integration of dx here x minus 1 by 2 here again multiplied up cos 2x in the 2 is the form. So cos 2 integration is sin 2x, the multiplied of 2x, that means 2, so divided by 2 here plus of c. So this value equals to 1 by 2 of x minus 1 by 4 sin of 2x plus c. Here c is the integration constant or algebraic constant, so integration constant here. Okay. So second question, in the second question is cos square of x dx. So this value equals to, convert this factor in the sin square form, 1 plus cos 2x here divided by 2 of dx, and previously telling this of formula cos square x. Okay. So this value equals to 1 by 2 is common factor, so commonly in the similar way plus of here 1 by 2 cos 2x of dx in the integrations. Okay. So this value equals to 1 by 2 of x plus of 1 by 2 in the multiplied of cos 2x, so sin 2x divided by 2 plus of c. So this value equals to 1 by 2 of x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c is your answer. Okay. I am going to the third question. In the third question, integration sin square of x cos square of x dx. Okay. So this value equals to, firstly in this factor first converted to sin x into multiplied of cos x in the square form of dx. So we know that sin and cos is the multiplied form, so it is a sin 2x form also. But here not sin 2x formula is 2 sin x of cos x, but here you question here sin x multiplied of cos x. So 2 is the factor requirement, so here 2 multiplied in the square form, so 1 by 4 in the multiplied of 2 sin of x cos of x, because in the squaring form 2 square value is 4, 4 cancel the previous step is given here. Okay. So now 1 by 4 sin 2x is the formula of squaring factor of dx. This value equals to 1 by 4 sin 2x, squaring factor is sin square of 2x of dx here. Okay. Again it is converted to square form, so this value equals to 1 by 4 1 minus cos of 4x here, because in the x form the value is 2x form, in the 2 form it is a 4x form, it is a 3 form, the value is 6 form. Okay. This value divided by 2 of dx. Alright. So this value equals to 1 by 4 in the multiply half, 1 by 8 is the common factor both of integration of dx firstly minus 1 by 8 of integration of cos of 4x dx. Okay. So now here this value equals to 1 by 8 of x minus 1 by 8 in the cos x of integration value is sin 4x divided by 4 plus of c. This value equals to 1 by 8 of x minus 1 by 32 sine 4x plus of c is the answer. I have discussed this type of questions. Okay. So another form, I have done some sine 3x form, sine cos 3x form. So firstly, we know that the formula of sine 3x equals to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube of x. So in the given question, suppose in the power of qp, so it is converted to this form. First of all, sine 3x minus 3 sine x equals to minus 4 sine cube of x. So in the factor minus sign, we have to put it in the positive factor. The both factor minus of minus, the value is plus. The value is here now 3 sine x minus sine 3x equals to 4 sine cube of x. I am converted to sine cube x. So this factor equals to 1 by 4 in the divided factor. In the result is 3 sine x minus sine 3x equals to sine cube of x. Suppose your question is sine cube x integration. Put this formula, easily get your answer of integrations. Okay. So I am discuss this question. Suppose sine cube of x equals to, put this formula. Formula is here now 1 by 4. Okay. Of integration 3 sine x minus sine 3x in the integrations. Now this value equals to 3 by 4, 3 the common factor, 3 by 4 sine of x dx minus 1 by 4 sine 3x dx of integration. Okay. So this value equals to 3 by 4 in the integration of sine x is minus of cos of x minus 1 by 4 sine of 3x value is minus cos 3x divided by 3 because 3 is a multiplied factor plus of c. Here see the integration constant. So this value equals to minus 3 by 4 cos of x minus and minus value is plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 value is 1 by 12 cos 3x plus of c is this question or answer. Okay. In this type we get variety of questions solved of a plus 2 class. Okay. In that integration trigonometric functions. So I am discuss now these two variety of questions. Okay. So my dear friends, today I am discuss this sine of power of x m of x dx, cos power of m of dx. Okay. So any problem in this type of questions, subscribe my channel, put any comments, share with me to try next video come to your doubt. Thank you.